Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the dahocamgo 4K ActionSports camera. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. So you will have to slice this to get it open, and getting this out of the box, looks like it's got, there we go, some plastic in there. Instruction manual, actual device, all the attachments that come with it. So we'll kind of lay these out. I'm obviously not going to demonstrate all these, but these are kind of pretty standard. This is the waterproof casing, it looks like. Pretty standard when you come with sport-based cameras. To allow you to kind of set up and do a lot of different things with it. And then, of course, pushing that all to the side, we'll have what looks like potentially a kind of a wraparound necklace that this may magnetically hold on. Feels like, yep, it's going to be a magnet of some sort. So, oh, there it goes, pops right. This open. We'll show you that way I can wear this around my neck. This seems to be adjustable in size. So if I need to get it nice and tight or whatever, I can hang it however I need to using that adjustability, which is a really nice feature. Simple clip for when I'm going to be wearing this on a pocket or brim or something like that. Should once this is unwrapped, we'll get it unwrapped here. Clicks in place. So you'll just loosen it up top to get it out of that, because it will latch in. And then finally, you've got a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. So let's be very clear. Make sure you read your instruction manual. There's so many times when I'll run right through these things and I'll kind of have to stop because I have not read them. When it comes to high-tech equipment like this, it is always best to kind of read through this stuff. Looks like there is an app to download, and then just kind of how to kind of get it off the all your video shooting off of here. So there is kind of like a almost like a rubbery smell that's coming through. So just want to be clear about that. But as far as the device, should be pretty obvious how this all works. So you'll have your USB-C, and then a little memory card slot, it looks like. And we'll get that out. $64 gigs, as you can see, which is real nice. How long that will last is to be determined. We'll see. But again, you're shooting in 4K quality, so it's not going to be hours, most likely. But we'll see. Test it out a little bit. Stick it back in. Close that back up. One of the capabilities here that we're going to test is the ability to kind of just press buttons. So I've got another one of these that I've got to use an app to just turn it on. I'm hoping and expecting that yep, you hold it for 3 seconds and it'll turn on. I'm hoping the ability to just press that button to record is going to be there, and I kind of feel a vibration. I don't know if you heard that. So I'm hoping this is actually recording right now, but we're going to go ahead and test out the recording elsewhere, not during this filming to kind of play back. But again, read your instruction manual, download the apps, stuff like that. So let's get to that. All right, so I'm not looking to create an infinite loop here or anything like that. I'm just going to show you that I am recording this live right now, and I'm going to show you, kind of kicked right there for a second. I am going to show you another thing. I'm going to record outside and everything, but want to show you that this is the play button, or the record button. It does connect to the app. You may need to double click this twice to connect the Wi-Fi in the first setup process. It can be confusing. There's a number of different ways, as mentioned, to kind of connect this. I'm going to put this right on my neck and kind of walk it around outside. And we're going to go ahead, and I will record a fresh one here. This is it's one of those things where if it's upright like this, it's actually going to be in landscape mode. So just be aware, if you try and go like, landscape mode, it's going to actually record the wrong way, just so you know. So I'm going to go ahead, take it outside, and let you record. I'm going to record directly from this so we can get a feel for that, and let you know. All right, so I'm actually going to press record right now so that we can see the same stuff. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to really just be putting this right next to the camera, and we're going to record the same things. Ideally, I'm going to use one sound. I'm going to use the device's sound, not my phone. But I just want to show you kind of similar looks and feels so that you can compare how they record. All right, so now I turned off the camera. What I'm going to show you is I'm going to use this in a second. Right now it's currently hooked up to a clip. I'm just actually going to clip it on to my shirt. Hopefully I'm not getting too much. And I'm just going to walk around to kind of give you an idea on steadiness of things. So hopefully you can get a feel for that. And now I'm going to unclip, and we're going to put it on the magnet. And again, we're going to just do the same type of thing, walking around with the magnet. It might be a little bit more wobbly, but hopefully you're getting a good view. So I'm going to pull this off. To me, this thing is totally awesome, definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helped, and hopefully you saw the capabilities of the camera and the sound. Thanks for watching.